Welcome to TwinkleToons! Yeah!
Five little ducks went out to play, swimming in the pond one sunny day. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. Swim, swim, splash and glide, waddle to the shore, then back we slide. Feathers fluffy, bills so bright, duckies swim from left to right. Four little ducks with feathers so free dived in the water, 1, 2, 3. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. Swim, swim, splash and glide, waddle to the shore, then back we slide. Feathers fluffy, bills so bright, duckies swim from left to right. Three little ducks had fun in the sun, splishing and splashing, oh what fun. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks paddled around, bobbing their heads without a sound. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One little duck felt all alone, swam in circles far from home. Mama duck said quack, 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 and all five ducks came swimming back.